Hey, this is Aaron with ECS. Just put together a quick slideshow for you to kind of show you how we install our French drain systems. We like to use a non-woven geotextile fabric, fairly reasonable price, and it does a really good job. For this job, we used a 12-inch wide bucket to excavate our trench. Then we lined our trench with this geotextile fabric. Then you lay your perforated tile down in the trench and then cover that with 4 to 6 inches of good 1 inch clean rock, and then wrap the remaining textile fabric over that to kind of seal up the entire system. We also use tile tape on all of our connections. One of the benefits of wrapping your entire system with this geotextile fabric is it may work all right just putting dirt right on top of the crushed rock, but after so many years, that dirt's still going to penetrate and clog up your pipe. So this will hopefully prevent any of that from happening. I also put a couple pictures of stuff that they sell. They do sell some corrugated pipe that is already wrapped in that sock, and they have a new kind that I'm not familiar with that kind of has rocks and everything all in one, just one system. You can just lay right in the trench, but you're only going to get maybe 2 inches of gravel in there. So it's kind of better to build your own system, but it's more labor intensive. That kind of wraps up this video. So if you have any questions or comments or anything, I'll be sure to read them and get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.